Welcome back to Lori's Life. Another quick little sandwich for lunch. I had this yesterday after I made those yummy cheddar biscuits. I just put roast beef and mustard. And since these biscuits have cheese and chives and pepper, there's a lot of flavor, so you don't really have to do much. And it was delicious, and I didn't film it yesterday, so I'm just gonna do a quick one today. And I got this roast beef at where did I go? Donnellan's. Usually I love the Italian roast beef. It's like super rare and juicy and a little salty. This one I got must be low sodium, really no flavor, so that's why I added a little mustard to make it taste yummy. And there you have it. That's simple. Doesn't it look great? So I don't know how good this is gonna film, but yeah, here goes the taste test. Pretty good. The only thing would be better if this was that rare Italian roast beef. By the way, this is a straw. It's metal. I don't know if people remember those tumblers from the 70s or 60s that were all metal like this. I guess they're sanitary, but it's a reusable straw. And I saw them at the Dollar Tree, never could find them. I saw them being hauled by other Dollar Tree haulers on YouTube. And I found them at Ocean State Job Lot. So it's pretty good. They come with brushes to clean it. I'll show you. So yes, this set was only $4.99. It came with 2 scrub brushes and 4 straws. Red, purple, blue, and gold. And that's how you clean them. You know, you can do both ends. You know, maybe they'd be better if they were a little smaller, but they're, you know, good for tumblers. But anyway, I had to show that because now I won't be using plastic straws as much. You know, the guilt. All right, take care. Have a good day.